we are going to dye the cotton fabric by using sulfur. So the weight of the cotton material of Lee has been found as 4.925 grams. The percentage of dye to be taken is 0.985 grams of 2.5% on weight of material. The sodium carbonate to be taken is 0.147 grams. Sodium sulfide of 0.738 grams is to be taken. Sodium chloride is to be added during dyeing in two portions. So the ml ratio of 1:20 is found as 99 ml. So the temperature to be maintained during dyeing is 90 degrees Celsius. And the dyeing time of 90 minutes to be maintained. .99 ml of water has been taken. 0.147 grams of sodium carbonate has to be taken. 0.743 grams of sodium sulfide has to be taken. 2.4 grams of sodium chloride has to be taken. 0.98 grams of sulfur black dye has been taken for dyeing. The required amount of sulfur black dye is to be added to the dye bath. Sodium carbonate has been added. The required amount of sodium sulfide has to be added to the dye bath. After 5 to 10 minutes, when the temperature reaches 50 degrees Celsius, the bleached fabric which we are going to dye has to be get subjected into the dye bath. And dyeing can be carried out for 15 minutes. Sodium chloride has to be added in the dye bath after 15 to 20 minutes of dyeing, and the dyeing should be carried out for another 60 minutes. The cotton material dyed with sulfur black dye has been subjected for R oxidation for 20 to 30 minutes. After R oxidation, the dyed sample has been subjected for washing with soap water. And then it can be washed with cold water. After washing with cold water, the dyed sample has been subjected for drying in hot air dryer.